Dharasuram Iravateshwar Temple Mandap and Interior. Would you like to see more of the chariot style design within the temple? Just make your way to the east side of the temple Mahamandap or the main temple hall. Here you can find the Agra Mandap, also known as Rajgambhiran Tirumantapam, named after the king. This hall is shaped like a chariot, provided with stone horses and wheels. The wheels were put back by the Archaeological Survey of India at a later date. The design is similar to the Nritya Sabha or community dance hall of the Chidambaram temple and the Konark Sun temple in Orissa. The front mandap has numerous pillars built within it, each one artificially designed from top to bottom with sculpture depicting various events from the Purans and Itihas. Numerous paintings, frescoes, and sculptural carvings present around this place make it a dream come true for those who enjoy art in its various forms. Now turn your gaze towards the ceiling. You will be able to see a beautiful carving of Shiva and Parvati inside an open lotus. The stone panels of the inner walls depict major Vedic and Puranic deities such as Indra, Agni, Brahma, Vishnu, Durga, Saraswati, Ganga, Yamuna, etc. in various poses and dance forms. All the Bharatanatyam dance poses can be seen here carved gracefully in stone. They are referred to as the Sodasa Apsaras. There are many such carvings present all around. There is one carving showing the village women folk helping in the delivery of another female who has both her hands on the shoulders of the two ladies, pressing their hands to the abdomen of the lady to help her deliver. This sculpture is truly a glimpse into the past, teaching us about the social culture of that time. There is also a stone image of Ravan carrying Kailash mountain, and it is considered to be a fine specimen of workmanship. You can also find sculptures of Buddha, Saraswati without her veena, and sculpture of Ardhanishvara, Brahma, and Surya. The various paintings on the wall that you see around you have been repainted during the Nayak periods. Once you have enjoyed the art here, you may now make your way to the sanctum of the temple.